Hi everyone, and welcome to European Blockchain Convention. I'm Simone. How are you today, guys? It's great to see you here in Barcelona. I'm very happy and inspired to be here and talk with you about the next level of digital bank by Codego Vision. Well, let's talk first about who and what is Codego. Thanks to a long experience in crypto and financial market, Codego is the result of a combined effort of a group of developers and specialists in different fields. This variegated and skilled team with different background is the key of Codego's success in the fintech market. And we can say now, Codego has the best solution in digital finance. Today, I would like to announce our top services as core banking, white label prepaid and debit cards, and white label banks. Of course, we provide as well exchange, wallet, crypto gateway, and all in white label concept. Recently, we got a full bank agent license, which allows our clients to build a profitable business and support of web and mobile applications built with innovative technologies. Our next goal we are working on is to achieve a new level of KYC verification system and biometric logging system, which I will share with you later on. Our mission is to create new, fast, and easy solutions for financial service with a new level of digital bank. Our passion is to develop innovative solutions for our clients to be used day by day. Codego is now present almost in all Europe with physical branches in these countries: Ireland, UK, Spain, Estonia, Italy, Turkey, and Egypt, with the perspective to expand obviously much more. Codego's core banking, our main tool, the solution to create your own digital banking. A very innovative platform with a lot of features and possibilities, such as multi-currency accounts, virtual IBAN generation, instant transfer, currency exchange, card issuing, easy manage administrative panel, and of course API integration is included. With our team, also, you will easily manage the onboarding process with a 24 hours full support. Everything is fully customizable, from app to web interface. Everything is totally safe. Security is our top priority. In fact, we create 3 levels of different security authentication system. User device is integrated in the system, and even if someone somehow duplicate the credential or steal your phone, it will not be able to log in. Instant biometric verification by Face ID and fingerprint is unique and allows also to don't worry about access to the money and control the access. Then we have also push notification system, which is another level of security. White label prepaid and debit card. Users can order prepaid and debit cards connected to an intuitive and easy mobile app just by few clicks, as well as virtual gift card for quick use. Cards basically can have any logos, colors, brands, and can be issued in any place in the world through our different worldwide BIN sponsors, and can be shipped directly to your place. In only one platform, we build for our customer a bridge between banking and crypto service system. Cryptocurrencies basically can be used today already as real cash. With Codego solution, you can stay basically on your couch and do operations on crypto market online and instantly connect your wallet and your card to the crypto wallet. Buy and sell crypto, convert fiat and pay for your needs. Or even, for example, pay directly by crypto. With us, basically you can operate with the liquidity in euro with over 120 of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Our system will permit also to manage your own price list fees for your end users and get revenue share from your customer card usage. And also the push notification system will keep update about the market variation in real time, encouraging the users basically to be more active on trading. White label bank. Set up your own bank today. As already mentioned, recently Codego got a full bank license as agent in Europe. Our solution offers a full core banking platform, bank as a service, and full bank license. White label bank opens up a wide range of possibilities. As we can see, local IBANs in 4 European countries, which are Italy, Spain, Germany, and France. SEPA transfer and SWIFT payment, debit cards, Visa or MasterCard, full API integration, direct debit service, top-up IBAN via card service, which means your customer can instantly transfer funds from any credit or debit card or via Google Pay, Apple Pay, just in few seconds, and in real P2P payment. And as per prepaid and debit card system, the cards, the app, and the web can be fully customizable according to your customer wish. But what is more interesting in all of this is that Codego can launch your own bank in just less than 1 month. And we also offer the possibility to open physical branches in the 4 mentioned European countries, as Italy, Spain, France, and Germany. It is amazing, guys, right? Codego believes in the future, and the future is basically already today. We think in the near future, the bank system will be invisible, and the money will be completely virtual. Accessing to the banking service will be more and more easy anytime and anywhere. No cash, no physical card, no additional boring services. Easy, fast, and without any limit. Why we are working now on this vision? Because today, cards are not 100%. There are a lot of cases around Europe where they can steal your money through contactless system while you are, for example, on the bus or on the underground. We are, from our side, oriented to build a new solution. In our vision, your face will be your own card. Your face ID data basically will be the key to access to your account in both fiat and crypto. In a few years, everyone will be able to come in any store and pay only by looking at the camera. The biometric data itself is unique, so it will allow you to pay your shop instantly, and don't worry about hacker attack to the money. You just pass through scanning system. So, for example, when you take public transport, the account will be charged directly without wasting time to the cash desk. Codego will be the natural provider between store and user's account in any currency we wish to pay, or even in crypto. To make this possible, we will build the right technology and make services faster and safer just by blockchain way. So we consider it's time to redefine the banking system and create a world where financial services perfectly adapt to the pace of our everyday life. So my question is, are you ready, guys, for the evolution? So stay with Codego and be in the future today. Thank you.